In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not opening on your Windows PC or laptop. If Discord won't launch, gets stuck on a loading screen, or simply doesn't open at all, don't worry, I'll walk you through the best working fixes step by step. Let's get started. Sometimes Discord is running in the background and needs to be restarted. Click on the search icon in your taskbar and type Task Manager. Open it. In the search bar inside Task Manager, type Discord. If you see Discord in the list, click on it and then select End Task. Once you've done that, try opening Discord again. If it launches, the issue is fixed. If not, move to the next solution. Corrupted cache files are a very common reason why Discord won't open. Press Windows plus or on your keyboard to open the run box. Type App Data. Then press Enter. This will open the roaming folder. Scroll down and find the Discord folder. Right-click on it and select Delete. After deleting folders, restart your computer. Now try opening Discord again. If it's still not opening, the final fix is to completely reinstall it. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Installed Apps. Search for Discord, click the three dots, and select Uninstall. Once removed, restart your PC. Then go to the official Discord website, discord.com, download the latest version and install it again. And that's it. One of these methods should fix Discord not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple PC troubleshooting tutorials.